uses of the miracle fire rub. Why me think is Debbie have the one there?
All right, guys, are you looking for relief for your pain, your aches? Then Miracle Fire Rub may give you the relief that you've been looking for. Joining us now is the man behind the potent and concentrated, wonderful, we call it medicine, or we can't call it medicine, what we call it?
It's more than a medicine.
It's more than
a healing.
It's a healing.
It's a cure.
Mr. Michael Nicholas is here with us. He's the managing director for Miracle Force. Well, sir, this is so good, though. This is what we need. And I'm assuming that it's all natural ingredients, don't it?
All natural, all purified, nothing artificial, no preservatives.
It's just good for you.
It's totally good for you.
All right, you have to get into it, though. Tell us the reason why you call it the Miracle Fire Rub, and it's the best in the world right now. That's what you say. Tell us why.
Yes. Miracle Fire Rub is an all-natural, all-healing, nothing artificial, no preservative, no additive. It's the best in the world because it's instantaneously you get healing in most cases and there's no side effects. It's good for pain, swelling, poor circulation, numbness, cramp, tingling in the tissues, and a host of other afflictions.
So hold on.
Afflictions.
That's a whole heap of something covered, though. Seriously.
It covers so many something. That's why it's a miracle.
No, seriously, I like that. In terms of side effects, anything at all that people need to be aware of? You know, if they have any allergies to anything at all in terms of the ingredients inside there, is there anything they should be mindful of?
Well, I would only be mindful of certain side effects, such as it depends on the skin type, as I said before. It may give you a little burning. If you have an open sore, that's why we say that not supposed to be placed in an open sore and in the nasal passages.
Okay.
Yes.
So you use it where? On your foot, on your back, on your elbow, you know?
Any parts of the body, especially joint areas where you're subject to pain.
All right, let me ask you about the origins of it. What made you decide that, you know, I have to create this kind of formula because the world needs it?
Well, the world really needs something like this because right out there now you have a lot of synthetic medicine that is making people really sick after they use it with all different types of side effects. That's compounded side effects upon side effects. I was in an accident and I had back injury and neck injuries. Then I went to the doctor. He started giving me these different types of medication and I started taking it. Which started to damage my liver. Then I decided, no, I need something that won't damage me. So I decided to create my own medicine and herbs. As I said, Miracle Fire Rub, rub it on, the pain is gone. Rub it twice, then you feel nice. So I created the medicine and I used my friend, families as a guinea pig.
Yes, so they were able to you know, agree with you that it's actually very good, it's working.
After almost 13 and a half years, they said, yes, it's ready.
Oh, wow.
They started getting instantaneous results and getting all kind of different miraculous cure from bodily affliction, pain, swelling, poor circulation, numbness, and even menstrual discomfort
How
for
so?
women. Well, we tested it on quite a few different women, females, and found out that during their cycle, they could just rub it on below the navel, and it would ease the pain and discomfort, and everything would just go smooth and nice.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
I know lots of women who, you know, are going to be very happy to hear about this product. Let me ask you something, Doc. I'm going to call you Doc. Can I call you Doc? Because I think you're a doc, you know.
Herbal.
You're giving us some healing here. Seriously. You said natural ingredients, right?
All natural
Without
herbal.
giving us the entire formula, right? Can you just pinpoint some of the herbs inside of it?
Yes. And it's the same thing that you eat in your kitchen every day. We have ginger, turmeric, scallion, things that you use to cook your rice and peas with.
Really?
Really.
And you just put it all together?
Put it all together in a scientific formulation, and boom, the world is
Yeah, you have some liquid forms here. So this is liquid. What's this one?
This is the same thing, but it's in a cotton format. It's a soaked in cotton.
As in, when you open this, you actually see bundles of cotton inside here?
Yeah, pieces of cotton that you could use to rub it on.
Okay.
Onto the body. Yes.
All right, how long does it take to start working? Like I put it on, my wrist hurting me, and I put it on, how long until it takes effect?
Well, some people it's instantaneously. Some people it may take 2 days, 3 days. Some people even a week. Some people give up and say, no, but it's not working. So keep trying it, you know, because it has something to do also with your faith in the Almighty, because it's spiritual too.
Okay.
You know? And some people say, oh, I put it on and right away. And also do physical therapy for people with strokes. It's very excellent for strokes.
Okay. All right. So it's available in Jamaica. Where else?
In America. In London. It's available in Italy. And the Caribbean.
Anywhere online for persons who may be watching us in the diaspora and they want to order it?
Yes, they can contact me online via TikTok. I have a website, which is the miraclefireRub.com, also miracleforces.com, but for some reason, every time I put up the miraclefireRub.com, somebody's going up there and dismantling it.
Oh, wow.
And people can go directly to the name of the product and get me. So we're working on that to put up a firewall so they can just go in there and stop me.
All right. Well, we're 1 minute before break time. This thing right here, what is this one? It said blood purge and purifying. Yeah?
Yes. Blood purge and purifier is an all herbal cleanse for the blood to make the blood alkaline. So this blood needs to be clean. And I mean, God forbid, the way I see the people eating in Jamaica right now, it's going to be serious the next 10, 15 years. And they're going to need more hospitals. So we have something to keep the blood clean and pure so that their body can be in tip-top condition.
Okay. All right. Any future projections, though, for Miracle Fire Rub? Like, what do you want to see it, grow to?
I want to see it grow to a global phenomenon bigger than what it is now. Yes. And it's phenomenal already.
All right, sir. Well, congratulations on the product.
Yeah.
All right. Tell us the information again where we can find you.
You can find me at TikTok, and you can also find me at www.miraclefireUp.com or miracleforces.com online. I just want to big up some of the people that are instrumental in making this what it is.
Quickly.
I mean, Mr. Brown over there in Portland, and Tom over there in Montego Bay, Damian over there in Florida, and also Mr. Park over there in Florida, who's just phenomenon. Please give thanks and praise to the Most High every time.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Our managing director there for Miracle Force, Mr. Michael Nicholas, that's his name. After the break, guys, Jamaican artist Mr. Andy Ballantyne tells us about being honored by the city of North Lauderdale. Stay with us. Who are these? Very interesting. You did that? We're being told that this is as a result of the Miracle Fire Up, guys. Get yours today.